Hello, what's up, guys? Basil here, we're back here. So, today we're gonna do some shakshuka. We wanna cook. Yes, shakshuka is a really a traditional like breakfast. This is loved in North Africa and all around the world. It's really good and quick and easy to make. If you are looking for a breakfast, a quick breakfast, yes. So we got our shakshuka. How we're gonna do? We're gonna use our normal pan. Then we're gonna cut our ingredients. We will use some paprika, some onion, and garlic. But we only use the half of it. We're gonna cut it all. Put it on the skillet, and the other half we're gonna use it for the mixer, like right now. So you're just gonna put it all together. You just drop it inside your mixer. Any mixer will make it. Yes, and then we're gonna blend it all. We blend it all together with some tomato, and yes, we're gonna use some tomato to blend it. Yes, like this. Yes, and yes, okay, yes. And then after we are done with blending, we're gonna go back to our skillet and gonna look at what our ingredients are doing. They should be cooking right now, and for sure, you will just have to stir a little bit and look like we have a little bit of color. And then we're gonna use our tomatoes. We're gonna drop our tomatoes. We just put our tomatoes in there to cook it together to make a type of pasty consistency. Yes, I like this tomato. You can use whatever. You can use whatever canned tomatoes you have. And yes, then this we're gonna cook it around like 3 or 4 minutes, mid to high temperature. And then after that we're gonna put back our mixture inside. And then when the mixture is inside, we're gonna wait. We're gonna cook it all together to let all the flavors coming out. Yes, and then afterwards we're gonna put some garlic powder. I always more garlic. And yes, and then we're gonna make some room to put back our eggs inside. We're just gonna crack some eggs in there. Yeah, we're gonna make like a type of pocket in the sauce. It should be the consistency that you should do that, or you just gonna let it cook on top of it just a little bit. This will not, it will just work fine. You just make a like little pocket and then put it in there. Then afterwards, after cooking, I like my eggs like a little bit runny, but you can let it cook longer if you want to your eggs well done. Yes, then afterwards we're gonna put some cheese. I will put all the ingredient in the description. I just use like a goat cheese. We just throw it up there and some salad, rucola salad, and then afterwards you turn the temperature down and then getting ready to serve. Yes, so now we are ready. It's all done. Like, we can just serve. You can use a bowl, you can use whatever. And yes, I did some macaronis or some pasta. You can use rice. You can just eat it like that. And yes, and for my kids, they love pasta, and then that's why I do it. But otherwise, you can use some bread or whatever. I mean, shakshuka is really flexible. You can eat it everywhere, and you can make it with the minimum of ingredient. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and see you.